I grab my meat like so. Grab my top ramen. It's in my bowl. Boom. Try to do it with one hand. Alright, hopefully I don't drop it. Bam! Yeah. Now I grab my chicken flavor. And I just put it in there like so. Hold up. Yeah. Y'all heard that. Now stir it up. I don't really want to make this sandwich because I really can't bite into it because of my teeth. It hurts when I bite into my sandwich because the bread is not even that soft. So I'm just going to put the turkey inside the ham and put Pringles inside my chips. I said Pringles inside my chips. That could be a song. Pringles inside my chips. Pringles inside my chips. Pringles inside my chips. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sorry. I meant to say it like that. Part of the video. But anyways, that was the joke. Yo, I put Pringles, crumbs of Pringles in my ramen. I'm gonna do that on camera. I gotta use both hands for this. And now, I grab some turkey. Grab me something to drink. Put some cheese in it. Hold up, y'all. I'm cutting it up right now. The right side of it. I hear that? Sample this. Grab me some American cheese. This is an audio log right now. You know what I'm saying? How to put cheese, American cheese, into pieces inside your ramen. On an audio log. A long title, right? Okay. So now I open up. I just opened up my oven roasted turkey breast. Right? And I cut this up with scissors. Boom. It smells hecka good. Grab some turkey breast, like 2 slices. Boom. I throw the turkey breast in there. And then the ramen's already hot. So I stir the turkey breast inside my ramen and let it get heated up, warm it up on its own. I want to taste the cheese. I want to taste the turkey. I want to taste the turkey for real. And then get some ranch Pringles. I still have some left. Y'all hear that? Sample this. Alright. Dang, that smells good. My ranch Pringles smell good, yo. One more Pringle. Alright. Stir it up again. Alright. Now open up your soda. First, let me grab a paper towel. Right? Wipe the top off. Where you drink out of it. Alright, I wiped it off. I got nails. I got long nails to open up my Sprite, my can of Sprite. Boom. Y'all can sample that. And I got my food ready. I don't need a vlog for this. This is a full tutorial, a vlog tutorial. Look. Now I'm ready to eat. Boom. This is the final product. I hope y'all like this. I hope y'all like this. I hope y'all like this video tutorial. And if y'all did, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And peace, one love. And I'm out. Yo. Top ramen, chicken flavor. No added MSG. That should be my rap name. MSG. But I don't know what it stands for. Tell me, I wanna know.